Hello guys, welcome to our Health Benefits TV. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe now. Okay, let's move into the video. Amazing benefits of mulberries for skin, hair and health. What are mulberries? Simply put, mulberry is a berry that comes from a tree called Morus alba. We usually think that mulberries are red, but there are white, black, and blue versions of them too. Mulberry trees can grow up to 10 feet per year and reach full maturity at 30 feet. The leaves, which are favorite food of silkworm, fall off in winter and grow back the following season. Mulberries ripen over a few months and fully mature in May. Why are mulberries good? Mulberries are full of nutrients and vitamins. A cup of raw mulberries contains only 60 calories, making them a light and tasty snack, yet providing the nutrients necessary for the body. Mulberries contain carbohydrates that convert sugar into glucose, thereby providing energy to the cells. Consuming mulberries increases your iron intake and ensures ample supply of oxygen to the tissues. Mulberries are rich in vitamin K and C. Vitamin C increases tissue strength and boosts collagen synthesis. Vitamin K helps in bone tissue development and is an essential component for blood clotting. They also contain riboflavin, also known as B2, which protects your tissues from free radicals and helps in transferring oxygen throughout the body. Nutrition data of mulberries. Mulberries are a powerhouse of nutrients. They contain fibers, sugars, carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, minerals, and vitamins. They are an excellent source of protein as well. 3 ounces of mulberries have 9 grams of protein. They are also a rich source of iron and calcium. Mulberries are also a reservoir of antioxidants. An antioxidant called resveratrol is found abundantly in mulberries. Other antioxidants found in mulberries are cyanide, chlorogenic acid, myristatin, and rutin. Apart from these, mulberries are also a rich source of polynutrients like anthocyanin, flavonoids, lutein, zeaxanthin, beta-carotenes, and carotene. Health benefits of mulberries. Number 1. Improve digestive health. Mulberries are a boon for your stomach. They relieve constipation and are also an excellent way to lose weight. Mulberries contain a good amount of dietary fiber. Your body needs dietary fiber to facilitate proper digestion. It does so by bulking up a stool in the stomach and facilitating the movement of food through the digestive tract. This process helps in relieving constipation, bloating, and stomach cramps. Number 2. Lower cholesterol. Eating mulberries is a good way to lower the levels of bad cholesterol in your body, which in turn helps in preventing cardiovascular problems. Number 3. Reduce cancer risk. If you are looking to protect yourself from cancer, the mulberry is what you should be looking for. Mulberries are rich in antioxidants and phytonutrients that help in stopping the growth and spread of tumor cells and protect you from cancer. Number 4. Improve blood circulation. Mulberries improve blood flow through the body, control blood pressure, and cleanse the blood. The antioxidants present in mulberries help in improving the function of the blood vessels by keeping them supple and dilated, which leads to blood pressure control as there is a free flow of blood from the heart to other parts of the body. Mulberries encourages the production of red cells as they are rich in iron. Number 5. Cure anemia. Mulberries are great for curing anemia as they are rich in iron. They also cure the symptoms of anemia such as fatigue and dizziness. Number 6. Better heart health. The fiber, antioxidants, and flavonoid content of mulberries facilitate heart health. They help in maintaining a consistent flow of blood, thus preventing heart attacks and strokes. Mulberries are rich in polyphenols, which are considered healthy for the heart. Number 7. Good for vision. Number 8. Promote brain health. Number 9. Improve immunity. Number 10. Build bone tissue. Number 11. Rich source of antioxidants. Number 12. Prevent flu and cold. Number 13. Proven liver health. Number 14. Are an anti-inflammatory agent. Thank you, beautiful people, for watching the video. If you like the video, please like, comment and share. For more videos, don't forget to hit the bell button.